folks, I don't know if I've said anything, but Mr. Greg and I are old friends. We've been friends for years, and we enjoy working with each other. He is not only a boss to me, but he's my friend. And he's a good friend. And that's the same way with all these guys that's working with us. They're our friends. And we dearly appreciate the friendship. I dearly appreciate all of us' friendship. I need them to have my back. I got their back. We take care of each other. Mr. Greg's got Mr. Kevin with him today, helping him out. He's a good friend of ours too. Comes to help us every little bit. And every week we can rattle him loose from everything else and get him out of here. Rascal. He's a good one. He's a dandy. He's a dear friend of ours. Him and Greg are lifetime friends. Been friends since as kids, I guess. We are dumping on Mr. Hendrick here. We got
Mr. Jimmy.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
You wouldn't have a stock finder by any chance, would you?
Yes, sir. I got one at home.
Well, I ordered me a maggot for my TV, but I want to put it on the stats just for peace of mind. Can I borrow it from you sometime?
Yes, sir, Mr. Hendrick. You know you can. I'll bring it tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Very welcome, Mr. Hendrick. Folks, like I say, we are all friends. We work together no matter what it is. If our guys need something, then we holler. And that's what Mr. Greg tells me every day. Jimmy, if you need anything, just holler at me, and I'll be there. And he is. He's here for us, just like we are him. We are topping Mr. Hendrick off here, and then he'll go dump on our trucks, and we'll send another load out. One truck just went out. We'll send another load here right shortly. Headed to the truck. Dump his cart full. And Mr. Keaton will be back to get the next load. There's our other stuff up here. We just keep a whittling on it, and before you know it, we'll be at the other side.
Right, so this is us offloading from a grain cart into one of the semis. And yeah, it gives you a bit of an idea from our view how things work. We've got a scale here that we record everything to Greg, the gross total for this field, and then it gives us a rough idea how much each load is. But yeah, that just gives you a good idea of what a grain cart driver's view looks like. Alrighty.